Want to sign in to Minecraft but don't know how? In this video, I will show you how to log in to your Minecraft account quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open Minecraft on your device. Now, click the sign in button from here. You will be redirected to a website. Don't worry, this is Microsoft official website. From this page, click sign in. Now enter your Microsoft account email address and click next. Here enter your password, then click next to sign in to your account. After successfully logging in, follow the on-screen instruction to complete the sign-in process. Once you are done, click Let's Go. You will then be redirected back to the Minecraft game. As you can see, I have successfully signed in my Microsoft account. Once you are logged in, you can now access online features, play with friends and enjoy the full Minecraft experience. And that's how you can log into Minecraft. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.